Hey ladies, I am so excited for you as you begin this journey together. Let me tell you how to use the Bible in a year. Although this could be a resource that you use on your own, it will be much more effective if you do it with a small group of women. Everybody in your group is going to need their own copy of the Bible in a year. As a leader, you're going to need to grab a launch kit. And what's going to be included in the launch kit is one copy of the Bible in a year, a copy of my book, Disciple Her, and some coaching videos. You're going to get 4 videos to watch together as a group over the first 4 weeks of your year-long experience. There is also going to be a video specifically for leaders. Now listen, I know that year-long could be a little bit scary, but this is going to be a very meaningful experience to you and the ladies that you journey with, so just make sure you go all in.